Cheese.
You gotta open his mouth. Oh. Want to do another one?
Yeah, for me.
For you and then one for Josh.
Yeah.
Charlie, that was two. You give to Josh. You give to Josh. Oh.
I'm a jokester.
You are a jokester. Here, you give to Josh. He doesn't want it from me. He wants it from you. Whoa, Charlie's attacking all my Cheerios. Watching the Bears. Christine's upstairs with Nora. Want Cheerio? Josh, go get Charlie. Here we go. Some action. Go get Charlie. No. Cheerio. All right. Say bye, Charlie. Wave.